There is more on Cyril Ramaphosa. There is more than Phala. And we even told the money is probably $1 billion, not $500,000. There is more. You can find more. This guy is the most corrupt president in the world. I believe that. And the Cyril Ramaphosa, ubashaye bonke, he's ajazi Hlophe washaya uMkhwebane washaya uZuma ubaba baloku bathi udlala ichess. Bamfaka ejele wadlala ichess ejele. Umbuyisele enkandla ushaya kwaThoni Yengeni. Thoni Yengeni ikhona. Ubashaye bonke uRamaphosa. Bathulile uNomvula tu. Bashaye bonke. So because he's got the strongest lobby behind him. I mean, when he went to that war room, it did a lot of damage. Like Montana, they were saying, no, this guy is responsible for load shedding. Bese siqedile thina abo Machila Koko. But no, bese siqedile abo Brian Molefe. But nothing was said. Judge Raymond Zondo said nothing. When there's evidence before him, he said nothing, no comment. That's why I have a problem. This guy comes from nowhere. He becomes a billionaire. And now his brother-in-law, his family. So you must clap hands. When people are hungry, you must look and say people are buying Lamborghinis. He told us, Ramaphosa, that black people are happy to see with this company is owned by a black person. Olambile. So unfortunately, that's where we find ourselves. And they don't own companies. They're just holding shares. But I'm a security. Umuntu phethe 1% alone me ukuthi yeba fethu buyelana esipanini. Ingami lemthumela ukuthi yemani buyelana esipanini.